What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Do you want to get better fuel mileage and better performance out of your vehicle? We all know gasoline starts to degrade in about 14 to 30 days, especially with all the ethanol in it. So you need Amsoil Performance Improver. This stuff works amazing, and you can notice it on the first tank. Some people notice it in the half a tank. Cars that were running very, very rough. They've used Lucas, which is a good product, by the way, but you just need a lot of it. They've used Lucas, STP, gum out, all that stuff. They put a bottle of this stuff in there, literally starts up, runs fine. I run it in all my vehicles. This one is capless compatible, so you just dump it right in, which I'm going to show you. I'm going to dump it in my fuel tank, and I have a quart of a tank of gas, and then we're going to go to the gas station and fill up. So it cleans, gives you more power, and MPG up to 5.7% effective in port and direct injection systems. Stuff is amazing. Cleans entire fuel system in one tank. Directions for use with cars and trucks. Treats up to 30 gallons. Add entire bottle to tank it, fill up. For best results, clean with your fuel system every 4,000 miles. Again. And I'll leave a link down in the description where you can get yours. I am your authorized Amsoil dealer. So, very easy to do. Open the cap. Peel this little crap that says pull. It's hard to do with one hand and a camera. And I don't have fingernails, so. There we go. We're just going to set that right there. Then we'll go outside. And that is in the tank. So now what we'll go do is put this cap on here. Now we'll go drive to the gas station. So I'll see you there. So we're at the gas station now. I'm got my Get Upside app on, claiming my offer so I can get some money back. And I'm checked in. Now we get gas. Tank. It's ridiculous. Gas is ridiculous. Money going bye-bye. $40. $40 to fill up. Of course, I wasn't all the way empty. I was on a quarter of a tank. Good for another 303 miles. Anyway, there it is. Amsoil. I'll leave your link down there so you can buy you some. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.